Looks like it might be forming and dropping, so keep an eye on that. That's Belle Glade, south end of Lake Okeechobee. That's over the lake there. Alright guys, we're leaving Belle Glade here. Help some people move their RVs, but got a tornado warning in Clewiston, which is out that way, and I seen that funnel going down. I'm going to go a little higher up, see if we can get a better picture of it, or view of it. But we're leaving Torrey Island now, because this hurricane's heading our way, and then we got that tornado in Clewiston, which is only maybe like 10 miles away from here. So it's out in that direction there. So I'm going to get up on the levee here and kind of see if we get to see it. I just saw the funnel. But I want to get it a little higher, see if we can get a better shot. We are leaving Torrey Island, packing up the RVs, going past Slim's Bait and Tackle. Everybody's packing up these RVs and getting on the other side of the levee there, because this area might flood. Bridge leaving Torrey Island. You don't want to be on the island when a hurricane hits. Some guys still fishing down there. There's a hurricane coming. See that funnel anymore. Those trees are in the way. Alright, we're on top of the levee now. Lake Okeechobee. That's Clewiston, so that's where that tornado is, somewhere over there. Saw the funnel, but these trees are blocking it. We're gonna head out of here, head towards Royal Palm Beach, head towards Royal Palm, West Palm area. They got those open cane fields, so we're going to see, probably, they're saying there's a tornado out there as well, so we'll see. Alright, leaving Torrey Island, coming up on the Drawbridge Cafe, where the RVs are being put on this side of the levee. Drawbridge Cafe here, and all the RVs, not all of them, but a lot of them. And a little further down on the golf course, they're putting the rest of the RVs, moving the boats out. All right, here's the golf course. Alright, I was just informed that a lady needed some help moving her RV, lot 703, so I'm going back to help her out. But those, the other RVs are parked here at the golf course there. We're going to go back here and help this lady out. We don't want her stuck on the island. Alright, we pulled up here right on the peninsula, 703. You needed help?
Sorry, porque de que esa no competition well with me.
Okay.
You understand me?
Sí. Yo hablo español un poco.
Maybe puedo ir a los bomberos ahora para mover my, porque I have everything. You understand?
Yeah. Well, let's see what you got here.
No entiendo, okay.
All right. Yeah. Tornado.
Bomberos, voy a los bomberos ahora. Los bomberos, voy.
We got this hooked up. It was a pretty old RV there. All right. Yeah, she's all hooked up here. It was an oldie goldie, so hopefully we'll make it over this bridge with it. You can see the palm fronds are blowing in the breeze. And this bridge pretty pretty tight, and we couldn't get that side in all the way on the RV, so hopefully we can get it across this bridge here. All right, so we made it to the golf course where we could park this. Couldn't get those sides all the way in. It's an oldie goldie, but we got it on the other side of the levee there. That's what we wanted to do. There's that storm coming. All these other RVs stacked in here. Okay, we just put that lady on the other side of the dike there, and going back, take one more look around, see if anybody needs any help. And it's starting to get pretty windy. Campground. We got the sheriff's department there. We'll see if anybody needs any help. Stop and ask them. Okay, so final trip over the drawbridge here, and we're heading to Royal Palm Beach, Florida. All right, we're on top of the levee here. Okay, we're in Belle Glade, and they just had a big tornado on the other side of the lake. We're on the south side of the lake. The tornado's hitting on the northwest side in the Monkey Box area. So, and it's supposed to be a pretty big one. And that was supposedly the one that left Clewiston and headed that way. So, that area right out in there. So hope everybody is safe on the other side of the lake there. All right, heading out of Belle Glade, heading east on Southern Boulevard.